AB is equal to PQ. Is it correct? Okay. Question number 4. Okay, let's have a competition between boys and girls. Let's see who answers it quickly.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shlok.
सर सक्षम
हाँ सक्षम.
सर आपने रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर दी है क्या?
Yes, I have started.
ओके सर.
Sir, answer is C.
Answer is C. Are you sure?
Sir, C.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. C.
First make two triangles. Okay. Let the others should answer. Just wait for a minute. Just draw it. Take a copy. Draw two triangles. Give the measurements, and then tell me the answer.
Sir, answer is
So I'm drawing the figures and I'm giving the names ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, ABC is 4, AB is 4 and PQ is also 4. BC is 5, QR is also 5, AC is 6 and PR is also 6. So they have asked which of the following is true. So it is ABC C. Okay, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PR.
सर वहाँ पे ACCD ऑप्शन दिया है, ABCD नहीं दिया है.
This one ना, तो ये आना चाहिए. This one.
हाँ सर, B आंसर है.
Second one, yeah. Yeah, triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BCA. Then the part BCA corresponding to angle E is what?
Sir, C.
Angle C. Okay. In question number 6, triangle DEF is congruent to triangle ACB. Then the part triangle ACB correspond to triangle F is angle F is
B.
Sir B.
angle
Sir,
B.
B.
Correct. Question number 7, triangle ABC and triangle PQR is congruent under the correspondence, and they have given that A is vertices is connect to R, B is to Q, C is to P. Then the part of triangle ABC that correspond to angle P is?
Sir, A.
No.
A.
No.
Sir, A.
Sir, A.
Sir
Sir, C.
C.
Sir, C.
Sir
C.
C.
Yeah.
C.
C.
Sir,
हाँ
C.
vertices
C.
connect
Sir
करना
C.
important है. Perfect. Okay. Now, the 8th question.
Sir, B. B. Sir, B.
Sir,
Sir,
B.
B.
Sir B. Sir B.
Yes, B. Perfect.
Answer is
Question number 9.
B.
Which one?
Sir, BC.
Sir, BC.
Yeah, BC. A is connected to
BC.
R, B is connected to P, C is connected to Q, then PQ will be equal to BC. Perfect. 10th.
CA.
Sir AB.
CA.
Sir,
Sir
AB.
Sir AB.
Sir, AB. Sir, CA.
No sir,
CA.
CA.
CA. Sir,
Sir
CA.
C.
CA. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir,
CA.
Sir, B.
No, it's not CA. R is connected to B.
Sir,
C
you
is
are
connected to A.
question.
Sir, BC. Sir, we are doing the 10th one. Sir, we are giving
Acha,
answer
acha,
of
okay.
10.
Okay, BC. Yeah. AC. CA. Okay, question number 11.
Sir, CA.
CA.
C है
Sir, AB.
A. Sir,
AB.
CA.
No, AB. Beta, see the connect vertices which are connected.
Sir,
B
AB.
is to R, A is to P, and C is to Q. So they are asking P के नीचे क्या है? P is connected to which part? So it is A. R is connected to which part? C. R is connected to B. So it is A. Question number 12.
C.
Which one?
Sir, BC.
First, draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. I'm giving a names A, B,
AB.
C. What is the side included between the angles A and B? Angle A and B में कौन सा side include हो रहा है? Which is the side?
AB.
AB. Perfect.
Sir, AB.
Correct. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay.
C.
Yeah.
Sir, B.
Are you
Sir,
sure?
B.
C.
B.
B.
Now see, in such kind of question, in quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to BC. Okay, and triangle ABD, this triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Okay, now the relation between angle ABD and angle BAC is what?
Sir,
BAC.
C equal. Sir, C equal. Sir,
They're asking whether which part? This angle and this angle.
Sir, equal.
They are equal.
Yeah, they are equal. In such kind of questions, the maximum majority will not be like half, will not be like greater than, less than. That will be always like in 7th class.
C
In
equal.
such kind of questions, there will be only equal only. So just remember, because we can prove that triangles, that both the triangles are congruent. So if both the triangles are congruent, then sides will be and the angles will be equal only. So always remember, equal to will be playing the important role. Question number 2.
C.
Sir, C. Sir, C.
Sir, BC equals to DC.
Sir, again C.
Sir,
Perfect.
C. Sir, C.
Now, question number 3rd.
Sir,
It is given BOC is congruent to
Sir, B.
sir, B. Yes, sir, B.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd मैंने अभी बताया.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
yes.
OD equals to OC.
Yeah,
So
OD is equal to OC.
Sir,
I already
C,
said
C.
now only.
Sir,
It
C.
is equal to, yeah. Question number 4.
Sir, C.
AB is equal to AC. BF it is a BE. BE, consider BE is equal to CD. BE,
Sir, AE. Sir, AE. B. AE.
then AD is equal to what?
AE.
AE.
Sir, AE.
Perfect. Triangle
AE.
ABC is a 90 degree. I'll just draw a diagram, just wait. See, one more thing you need to remember. In triangle ABC, what it has given in triangle ABC is a right angle and which is angle at 90 degree. मतलब यहाँ पे जो angle होगा उसका नाम क्या होगा? What is the name there?
A.
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 Here it will be B and here it will be C. So what it is saying, the values of angle B and angle D will be what? अगर ये 90 है तो बचे हुए ये दो कितने रहेंगे फिर?
45.
45.
Sir, 45.
And
Sir,
90.
45 degrees.
Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is
180.
Sir, angle sum property.
180.
the angles and properties
180
180. Okay. The measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is
60. A.
60.
Sir, A
Perfect.
60 degree.
Perfect.
Sir, 60 degree.
all sides are equal, all angles also equal. Say if the vertical angle of an
G.
isosceles triangle is 40 degree, then the measure of other two angles will be what?
70 by 70.
Sir, 70 degrees.
70, 70. Now,
70.
B 70.
B,
B.
70 degrees.
B.
yeah, it is something like if it is 40 degree in one in one triangle, and the here also it will be 40 only. So the remaining angle will be what? So I know the sum of the angle sum property. X plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. So you will be getting 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. That is 2x is equal to 180 minus 40 degree will be how much? 140 degree. So it will be x is equal to 70.
Sir,
Clear?
70 degrees.
Question number 8.
70. Sir, equilateral A. Sir, A equilateral.
Yeah,
Sir,
Sir,
A.
equilateral. Sir, equilateral.
Sir, equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle. Question number 9. Which one of the following is the value of congruency?
AS.
Sir, yes.
Sir, SAS.
Sir, SAS.
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 Sir, SAS.
Question number 10. By which rule they are congruent? This one, this triangle and this
Sir,
triangle.
SAS rule.
Yes,
No.
yes.
Sir, side angle side.
Side angle side.
Side.
Like side.
Side.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
SAS
side.
rule.
That's right.
Okay, just wait.
SAS rule, sir.
This it is having two answers. If you see one side, two side, third side, means by triple S test also, and it is given by one side, one angle and another side. So you can say side angle also.
Side.
But first of all, let's prefer triple S test, then only SAS test only. Okay. Question number 11. Yeah, prove it. Now identify the two triangles there. What are the two triangles? Now see, AC is equal to BD. Means this AC is equal to BD and one is AD is equal to BC. So first of all, I told you this will be which triangle?
RHS 90-degree triangle.
Identify
Sir,
the
RHS
what is
90
the name of
degrees.
that?
Equal.
Yeah.
BC
What is the
equals to
what will the name? What will the two triangles which are congruent? Identify the name.
ADB and BC.
Sir, ADB and ACB.
ADB and BCA.
ADB and
BCA.
BCA. Can you identify where is BCA? Is it given in the option? You need to go according to the answer.
Sir, option C.
Yeah, option C is the perfect. A, B, C, one triangle, another is D, A, B is another option. BAD. BAD is another triangle. Question number 12. What is the angle between the sides PN and PM? Make a triangle. It is MNP. So it is asking that PN one side and the PM another side. So it is the angle included between the sides PN and PM is what? हाँ एंगल कोई भी एक
P.
ही आएगा
Angle P.
या
P.
एंगल P ये this one a mark like this angle P. Question number 1 do it by own self. आप यही से देख के बता सकते हैं सिर्फ साइड है वहाँ पे but you need to go for vertices. You need to go for vertices there.
Sir, C.
ABC equals to PQR.
and QR.
C.
ABC is equal to
C.
PQR.
B1 okay.
ABC equals to PQR.
Question number 2
Sir, SAS. Side angle side.
side angle.
SAS.
Perfect.
Side
Question
angle
number 3
side.
question number 3 question number C third if AB is equal to AC AD is the bisector means it is bisecting angle A into equal halves Okay, अगर ये 60 angle है तो it is dividing into 30 and 30.
Sir, they are equal.
Which one is equal? What is the option? Angle B and angle C, which is the option?
Sir,
ABC
sir, C.
Yeah, angle B is equal to angle C. The correct answer is C. Question number 4. Compare this figure, question number 4 with compare with this figure. Yeah, it is given that triangle BCA. BCA. Now, similarly prepare a triangle.
BTA.
Sir, BTA.
BTA.
First option.
First option. Fifth one.
Sir, BTA.
Fifth one.
Sir, MN.
TM.
MN, sir, MN.
What is the side included between the angles M and N?
MN.
MN.
Sir,
Yeah.
MN.
Question number 6.
MN.
Sir, none of these. Sir, right hand. Sir, right hand side.
Right.
Sir, right.
No, is there 90 degree? Any of the angle is 90 degree? Is it there?
So none of these.
Sir, none of these.
None of these. Okay, good. Question number 7.
of these.
Sir, first option.
The first option SAS.
SAS.
Perfect.
Yes.
Question number 8.
Yes.
Sir, angle N.
Angle N.
Angle N.
Sir,
Two lines are congruent
and
if they have dash.
Equal measures.
Equal measure.
Equal
sir,
measure.
B equal measure.
Okay, perfect. Question number 10.
The AC.
AC. Sir,
Yeah.
none of these.
The CA. The CA.
See, if you take a triangle, first now always draw a triangle in the copy. Take it ABC. And then what is the side included between the angles A and C? If you see, mark the angle, that is A and C. So what is the angle side included in that part? What is the side?
AC.
AC. Can you reverse it? CA also. AC and C are the same thing.
C.
Question number 11.
Sir, C.
Sir, PTQ.
Sir, TPQ.
First
TPQ.
mark where is QRS. QRS. Okay. So Q.
Sir, TPQ.
Sir,
Sir, C.
TPQ.
Yeah.
Sir, TPQ.
TPQ. Perfectly said. TPQ. Question number 12.
Sir, CBC equal to QR.
Sir, I didn't understand question number 11.
Okay. First of all, see. Can you see this one part, Naman? This angle, one line. Naman?
Sir.
Means angle T is equal to angle Q. I got it. Means T is related to Q. Have you got it? If you can see a double line
Yes,
here
sir.
and double line here, it is related that P is equal to R. Means T is equal to Q and R is equal to P. Then S will be equal to what?
Q.
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 So I have got it now. How it came TPQ.
Yes, sir.
Those who have answered the question because they are doing the regular practice. That's what they have answered. Okay.
Sir, 12-1 is CBC and QR.
Okay. Come to question number 1.
RHS.
RHS.
Sir,
perfect said.
RHS
Question
equals
number
0,
2.
9.
RHS.
Question number 2. This one.
Sir, RHS.
Side and
RHS.
The right hand side.
7.
Sir, D.
Sir, D.
Vishwanath?
ASA.
Yeah, angle side angle. Okay. Always remember, if two angles are equal, तो उनके बीच में जो side है, the side which occurs in between them will be also equal. Okay. Imagine it.
They have same length.
Sir, they are congruent.
Same length.
They are same the length.
If they are equal in length. Among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70. The measure of the other angle will be what?
70.
70.
Sir,
When we write angle A is equal to angle B, which means actually it means what? That angle
They are
A is
congruent
equal
to
to
angle.
angle B. Means length will be same. I hope now you're not facing any problem now. I hope it is clear to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt till here to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Please, I want to take the attendance. Just wait.